Boy Who Cried Wolf by Joy Ferguson. Once there was a young shepherd boy. He watched over his herd of sheep day after day. His days grew longer and longer, and he grew bored. He came up with an idea to make his day a little more fun. He was going to play a prank on his parents, and the more he planned, the more excited he got. Out of nowhere, the boy started to scream, "Wolf, wolf," at the top of his lungs. He hid behind a tree, and when his parents came running, he jumped out, laughing like crazy. His parents, who were worried sick that something had happened to him, were very upset that he put them through so much stress. But he just continued to laugh as they returned to their work. The next day, the boy decided that because his prank was so funny the day before, he would do it again, and he did. This time, his parents were furious that he found their worry so funny. His parents went back to their work after scolding their son for his cruel jokes. But the boy continued to laugh. On the third day, the boy continued herding his sheep, but the unexpected happened. A huge wolf came up, and the young boy did not know what to do but scream, "Wolf, wolf!" His parents heard his screams, but decided that they were tired of his pranks and continued their work. The boy who knew that no one was coming, so he hid behind the tree to get away from the huge wolf. While the young boy was safe from the huge wolf, the sheep were not. He gobbled up one of the poor sheep and went on his way. As soon as it was safe, the boy told his parents what had happened. His parents felt terrible that they didn't come to his rescue, but the boy understood that his actions caused his parents to lose his trust. He apologized for his pranks and promised to never joke and toy with anyone's emotions ever again. The end.